I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to make some free PayPal money. What I'm going to show you in this video is one of the easiest ways of making money using the power of the internet. You're not going to be financially free by what I'm going to show you in this video. But what can be a game changer to your finances is what I'm going to announce towards the end of this video. So stay with me. Before I give you the details in this video, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. If you are looking for ways and means of using the power of the internet to make money, then you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. So thumbs up will go a long way because YouTube will share this video with more people like you. Without wasting any more time, my friend, let me take you to the first website that you are going to use to make a little bit of free PayPal money. Right? The website is called watchcount.com. Watchcount shows you the most popular eBay items in real time as voted by eBay users. eBay continuously tracks votes when users click add to watch list, and we report the results. We review live watch counts, how many watchers, providing ranks and unique search capabilities you won't find on eBay itself. It might be eBay US, eBay Australia, eBay Germany, France, wherever you are. So this is kind of a spying website to see how many people are watching what item listed on eBay. So that is very important data that you need if you are to use eBay to make money. So there are so many different categories. You can see the categories on the left-hand side there, right? All sorts of categories. You can also access the categories from the drop-down menu right here, right there, right? Toys, games, stamps, property, pet supplies, music, mobile phones, jewelry, holiday, travel, beauty, health, and so forth, right? And these are the countries that you can access this website from, right? So just check if your country is listed here and you've got what's what on eBay. The most bids, standard search, no bids, ending soon, and completed items. Fantastic. If you are to make money on eBay, you need to know the hot products that are selling on eBay. And then you just go also and list your own item or product, knowing that there are people who are already interested to buy that product. So this is what this website does. It gives us the number of watchers interested in a particular product at any given time. Right? So say you are looking for dog toys. You just type in dog toys right there, and then you click or show me. Fine. So you see that one, the top one has got 2,000 people watching it. The next one, 1,000 people. And that one, 730 people. If you've got 730 people with their credit cards in their hands, ready to buy something, or even 10% of that, right? Ready to buy an item from your listing, then my friend, you are already making money. So this is important data to take note if you are to make money on eBay. I want to use this particular dog toy. It's called dog ball thrower. So we want to demonstrate with this dog ball thrower. So you right click, you open that particular link in another tab, right? And then you watch. Now we are live on eBay. This is how it is looking on eBay. That particular toy, the dog ball thrower, right? So we can see that it is going for 99 Australian dollar, and that's 55 pounds UK, right? And you can do the conversion depending in your area where you are, right? And see how much it is, right? So I'm going to just give you the principle of how you can use this method to make money on eBay, okay? So you take this product and you search it on another website called AliExpress. AliExpress, you know that this is a massive wholesaler in China, okay? And you know that a good percentage, over 80% of the toys are coming from China. 80% of the toys of the whole world are coming from China, my friend, right? So, so most of the things are coming from China anyway. And now you can take advantage of this particular website, especially the pricing, right? We saw that that dog thrower is going for 55 pounds or 99 Australian dollar. And right here, you can find similar products. It's going for 44 US dollar, right? And that one 14 US dollars. That one 72 US dollars. And that one 16 US to 22. And that one 23. You are a business person, and all what you are interested in is to maximize the profits. And there are people who are already interested in buying this particular product. 730 people, they are watching with a lot of interest on eBay, this particular product. You go back to eBay, you can see where it says, have one to sell, sell it yourself. You can list your own product like this. Some picture or something similar, you can get it from AliExpress. You can list this one, you can list that one, or that one, right? But if you take this one, you can see it is going from 16 to 22 US dollars. And that's much cheaper than it could be something like 11 or 13 pounds. We're talking about 10 pounds right there. 10 pounds, very cheap in pounds. Okay, so you take this one, you list it on eBay, and then you put the same price of 55 pounds or 60 pounds or 70 pounds, depending on how you're feeling. This is a free exercise. You are not paying for anything. There is no upfront cost which you are having right here. There is nothing. You list it on eBay. So people will be watching, like they are watching those different toys, right? It's only one listing anyway of that particular one. And we've got 730 watchers. So yours will be also listed on eBay, close to this, okay? Close to this. So there are some people who don't want to pay cheap money for anything. They want to pay the top dollar for any product. So you can capitalize on such people. You already know that there are 730 people who are interested in this particular product. Therefore, a good percentage, 10%, 15% of those people will end up buying anywhere, whichever way. So if you put $100 or you put 80 pounds, people will buy at 80 pounds from you. Once you get a buyer right there and they pay you, then you quickly go to AliExpress. And you buy this product. And instead of shipping it to your address, you ship it to the customer's address because you've got the details of the customer already. You've got the shipping address on eBay. So AliExpress will ship the product to your customer and you don't need to handle anything. There is no warehousing of anything right here, okay? You're not shipping anything. You are not handling anything. You are just coming as a middleman. You are drop shipping, okay? So this is how you can make some free PayPal money using this method, my friend. Once you've got some bit of capital, then you come back here on watch count. And then you check what products people are looking for. Like I should demonstrate right here, like the phones. Don't put any keyword on there on the search bar and you leave the categories at no category. And then you just click show me, okay? And you can see now, 10,000 people are looking for iPhone 6. 10,000 people are looking for that iPhone 6. Look at that. iPhone 7, 8,000 people are looking for it. iPhone 6S, 8,000 people are looking for it. iPhone 7, iPhone 7, iPhone 10, 4,000 people are looking for it. Okay. You can utilize another website called Alibaba Express. You can see right here, 2-piece, $90, 1-piece, 90, 2-piece, 120, 2-piece, 96. You can utilize now this particular website. You can order in bulk because you know that there are some people who are already looking for the product. You can just weigh the cost and see if you can gamble with that exercise, okay? This is how you're going to make a little bit of free PayPal money, my friend. If you are interested in making money on AutoPilot, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your wife, with your husband, with your family, whilst you are doing some more important things of life, right? If you want to set up a business that goes to work for you 24/7, check my #1 recommendation in the description below, which says my #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot. You get some details right there when you are ready. So if you found value in this video, give us a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.